Looking for a high-end wood lathe upgrade? Then the South Bend SB1126 18-inch by 40-inch variable speed wood lathe is sure to up your turning game. This professional wood lathe features a 6-inch faceplate chuck on both ends of the spindle. This allows you to utilize the included 15-inch bed extension for outboard turning, giving you more space to work with than typical lathes. You can also attach the bed extension to the main bed for more distance between centers. The SB1126 has two variable speed ranges that allow you to go between 50 and 900 RPM on low and 170 to 3,200 RPM on high. The digital spindle speed readout gives you complete precision while you turn. Easily change the direction of the spindle with the forward and reverse controls. And the 10-degree spindle indexing offers precise positioning of your workpiece. Powering it all is a dependable 3 horsepower, 220-volt, 3-phase, 8.5 amp motor that uses a Delta ME300 inverter for single-phase power input. Fitting the professionalism of South Bend, this lathe features a heavy-duty cast iron bed, tool rest, and bed extension, assuring quality for years to come. And its convenient size adds to its versatility within your wood shop. With all the quality and features you'd expect from South Bend, the South Bend SB1126 18-inch by 40-inch variable speed wood lathe is a heavy-duty lathe for professional use.